Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video one before you. Today let me introduce you this AVM FritzWLAN stick AC860. Wi-Fi 5 up to 866 megabit per second of possible. Wi-Fi 4 up to 300 megabit per second are possible too. Installed at the touch of a button with WPS function and easy to use, and we have smart apps if we like. This connects our computer with wireless networks in no time, baby. The Fritz WLAN stick AC860 connects to our computers or notebooks with the Fritz box and any wireless routers out there. It provides an ideal data transmission with up to 866 megabit per second and more range for routers with the new wireless AC standards. And we have here fastest Wi-Fi for USB ports. The FritzWLAN stick AC860 is an ideal combination with wireless AC routers such as the Fritz Box 7590, 7490, 6590 or the 3492. It supports secure encrypted data exchange at the high speed using the latest wireless LAN standards with up to 866 megabit per second. Thanks to modern radio technology, it increases both speed and, of course, the range too. And it's compatible with all wireless routers, of course. The FritzWLAN stick works within any wireless routers and connects computers and notebooks with radio network in no time. Aside from the supporting the wireless AC, it works with all other wireless LAN standards, frequency bands and encryptions. And connected anywhere. In no time, baby. With the AVM technology stick here, stick and serve, no change of the settings are needed when using the FritzWLAN stick with the Fritz box. We simply plug the FritzWLAN stick into the USB port on the Fritz box for a short time before using it on a computer. The stick automatically has the correct Wi-Fi settings and is ready for surfing. And so we have an easy installation process within seconds. The FritzWLAN stick also supports WTPS for automatically secure radio connection to wireless devices from other manufacturers. After we plug the FritzWLAN stick AC860 into the USB port of a computer, it automatically installs itself, baby. So, this brings your not Wi-Fi ready laptop or computer into the Wi-Fi network. Easily, baby. Easily and fast. And with a lot of stuff. We have wireless AC with 866 megabit per second. Due to the new wireless AC standard, the FritzWLAN stick provides ultra-fast connection and even with a greater range. And it's suitable for all wireless networks out there. The FritzWLAN stick connects the computer with either a 2.4 or a 5 GHz wireless network. This making it fully compatible with any standard wireless routers out there. And straightforward installation in a matter of seconds. No special drivers are required to run the stick on our computer. Once we insert it into the USB port, the FritzWLAN stick installs itself. But secure encryption with WPA2. The FritzWLAN stick supports the secure WPA2 standards for wireless encryption. It's an ideal with the Fritz box, of course. AVM stick and serve. We having briefly been inserted it into the USB port on the Fritz box. The FritzWLAN stick connects automatically on the computer and configures the correct settings itself. And it also supports WPS. Alongside the stick and serve, the FritzWLAN stick also supports the WPS, that means Wi-Fi Protected Setup Registration Protocol. WPS enabled device can quickly be connected with each other and in a glance. And two LEDs for connectivity and activity. The two LEDs on the FritzWLAN sticks indicates the presence of a wireless connection and wherever there is currently any network activity. And we have a lot of nice combination with it. For example, the Fritz box or other Fritz repeaters, the Fritz apps, and so on. You can all use this with that tiny little WLAN stick, AC860. LAN client for radio network, wireless LAN standard, 802.11 AC with up to 866 megabit per second cross in the 5 GHz band. Up to 300 in 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band with the LAN standard 802.11n. We have dual wireless LAN for use in either, that means 2.4 and 5 GHz band. It's compatible with 802.11n G and B standard. Encryption accordance with WPA2. Self-installation, you will need Windows 11, 10, 8, 0.1, 7, 32-bit or 64-bit. Microsoft WHQL signature. Job's done. It supports Wi-Fi protected setup, software to monitor the connection and adapt settings, comfortable transmitter port, 2 LEDs display connection and activities, integrated antenna, free driver and software updates, automatic secure Wi-Fi stick. We insert, we transmit, we serve. We connect the stick once with USB host on the Fritz box. The data required to secure the network will automatically transfer to the stick. We connect the FritzWLAN stick into the computer, just done. Now the wireless LAN connection is securely encrypted without any further configurations. Alternatively, we can connect it and make a WPS Wi-Fi protected setup. We have a USB port compatible with USB 3.0, compatible with 2.0 of course. We have wireless radio network compatibility with the standard AC and N, no prob, 5 GHz network, and the 2.1. Then we get the stick and a USB docking station. The system requirement is a Windows compatibility personal computer and USB. And the operation system must be Windows 10, 8.1 or 7. And then you can start with that nice and easy FritzWLAN stick AC860. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.